How to disable like and plays on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable like and plays on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud, and here we'll find library in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click in the top corner here on your profile, and then just click settings, and here you will find notifications. Now just scroll down, here you will find like and plays. All you need to do, if you want to disable it, just click on it, turn it off, and as you see, like and plays on your post have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.